Hi, this is Justiniano Alves. I'm a software engineer building custom web and mobile apps and also build AI agent solution for the business. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can host n8n on Hostinger because I have been through the series to learn what is the best option that you can host your n8n yourself to have more flexibility to grow and also to, let's say, to have some lower cost on the infrastructure. Okay, I have tried Google Kubernetes. I found that is a little bit expensive, but also I want to still go back to optimize the template that I have to see if I can reduce the cost because I like Google Cloud Infrastructure. But I have a video that I put on the channel how to host n8n on a railway, which seems pretty easy, pretty fast, and I'm going to use that for a while. But today I'm going to do a video for Hostinger, but I'm going to keep both for a while just to see which one is best. And then I will provide my feedback review at the end, and I will recommend one. Okay, this is just because I'm not sure which one is the best. I'm gonna try both for a while. Okay, if I find out that one is, let's say, has better performance, price, everything, we just have to move template one side for another one. Okay, so this is the first time I'm gonna go everything from scratch. I have some idea how it works, but I haven't done that yet. So I'm sharing my screen. I'm gonna click login, and here I don't have account yet, so I'm gonna sign up first. I can go and with my Google, I don't have to create a password, everything. Okay, this is how I want to do it. So basically it seems just create my account. I'm going to provide some information here. Okay, Massachusetts. Okay, so basically it asks if your address. After you provide address, you're going to go, you're going to go to that. So for the n8n, to host n8n, you need a VPS. Okay. And then here you have to set up a VPS, okay? You just click set up VPS, okay, on the Hostinger. Let's say I'm gonna leave United States, Boston, North America. I'm gonna leave that as an option. And here you're gonna search for n8n. This is the option here. You click here, and then you click select and continue. Okay, click next. Also, you need to have a password. Okay, so of course I'm not gonna share this. So let's see if I can generate some password. I'm on this screen, generate a password. Okay, strong password. It generates some strong password, 20 character. I think that should be okay. Okay, copy this password. I'm gonna just put it here. Okay, what is that? I missed that symbol. Okay, it needs some special character. It doesn't have a special character. Okay, so now what I don't need to add SSH key, no backup, just click next. Okay, so now I have to pay. I'm gonna choose I'm gonna go with the cheap ones. Okay, and then just one. Okay, I don't want to go, I just want to go 1 month. Okay, choose my payment method. Okay, I'm gonna have to add a payment method here. Okay, after you add your payment method, so what's gonna happen next? It's okay, so now you just have to wait until they set up your VPS. Okay, just a second. In the meantime, I want to save the password that I create. Okay, so now that it's done, you can click here, manage your VPS. Okay, this is for commercial reason. Why did you? I'm gonna say that. What do you plan to host? Needs a website or content? I'm gonna just say website or content and save it. Okay, So now what are you going to do? You click on the Manage app here. and then it just launched that for you. So now you're gonna just create your account, jalves.com, Justiniano Alves, password. Okay, next. So okay, so now this is going to be services software, business owners, myself, less than 2 people, Google. Okay, skip this one. Okay, so basically you have your n8n host set up and working, and so basically you have an n8n hosting on the hosting and working perfectly. So this was very quick how to set up n8n on hosting. I hope you find it very helpful, and then I'm gonna try for a couple months. I will see how it goes, and I'm gonna drop feedback on the my channel. Okay, see you soon.